is going to be the outcome.
No,
We have to have better policing, we have to have better patrolling, we have to have better everything. We have to give them better vehicles, we have to allow them to do their job.
No, पण तुका दिसना जेन्ना यू आर नॉट कन्सर्न अबाउट पार्रा ऑल्सो लायक मायकलाक म्हापशेंचो मोग तो तुका पार्राचो मोग
आमकां सगळें लागता, आमकां गोंय बोर लागता. पूण आमकां खबर आहा ती एक आमदार आहा तेणे आपलें काम करचें आनी आपल्या लोकांक सांबाळचें हें आमचें म्हणणें आसा.
सो तो सांबाळना
तेका विचारचें पडटलें न्हू बाबा तशें कितें.
फुपाट तो म्हापशेंचो मोग म्हणटा तो तुका पार्राचो मोग ना.
म्हाका सगळ्यांचो मोग आहा, कालंगूटचो मोग आहा, कानोयेचो मोग आहा, पर्रेचो मोग आहा, नागवा आरपोरा सगळे सोयरे आमच्या सगळ्यांक आहा. रायट फ्रॉम अंजुना शिवोलीम एवरीवेर बोथ his wife constituency and his constituency.
So you are
But
concerned.
I am sure that he is looking after those.
So you are concerned what is going on in Parra also?
We are always concerned about everything that takes place everywhere. Even in Vijay Sardesai's constituency, Varnatha, we are concerned. We are concerned about the whole entire state of Goa. But ultimately, I represent the city of Mapsa, the constituency of Mapsa. And if anybody requires any help, lok sogla going lok amka yata meopa. After some years, it gets more and more people keep coming. That is part of politics. That is part of your look. If people believe in me and people trust in me, then automatically I can see people coming from all across.
Okay.
The Home Minister should ask about that law and order.
You all asked him now.
Yeah, so
stories are Maga Izata, I am not the Home Minister. If I am the Home Minister, I would have given an answer. But you asked Honorable CM, Baba Kide.
Department सारखे काम
Vijay Sardesai said the country is changing, but Mapsa is same.
No, I think he has to come and see what all we have done. So maybe I will sit with him and show him what all we have done. Maybe he is not aware. कोणे तेका सांगला तर ताणे आता केलाच नाही. But there is no that we all hold close to our hearts. I think that would be more appropriate for us to give you the bite after the session.